Hi, this is Riley, and this is Torrevieja news for Friday, the 10th of July 2026. Let's start with some very positive local developments. Torrevieja Council has officially awarded the construction contract for the brand new Alto de la Casilla Urban Park. This is one of the biggest green space projects ever planned for our municipality, coming in at a massive €10,370,583. The project includes some fantastic features like over 800 extra square meters of shaded pergolas to keep us cool during the hot summer months, and a fully inclusive children's play area with custom designs like La Bota Loca and La Balenita. The best part is that work is expected to start this coming August, and it should take around 8 months to complete, meaning we could have a wonderful new green lung for families to enjoy by the spring of 2027. Staying local, but moving over to the Elche coast, there is a bit of a delay for anyone looking forward to a drink by the sea. The installation of the local beach bars has been pushed back until late July. This has caused some frustration as we are now in the absolute height of the summer tourist season, but authorities are working to get everything up and running as quickly as possible before the end of the month. Widening out slightly to the wider Alicante province, residents in Torrellano are demanding a major increase in inspections regarding long-stay airport parking lots. The Torrellano Road Association claims that several illegal compounds, which were previously sealed by the authorities, are actually still operating on protected rural land. Locals have even captured video footage of vehicles being parked outside the official boundaries. There are major concerns that this illegal activity is completely restricting local growth and clogging up the streets, leaving neighbors in Torrellano and El Altet with nowhere to park their own cars. Moving into some of the more serious news from across the region, a massive international illegal tobacco smuggling network has been completely dismantled by the Guardia Civil. The major operation resulted in 50 arrests after 23 searches were carried out across several provinces, including right here in Alicante. Officers successfully shut down 4 active and 2 inactive tobacco factories, seizing more than 20 million cigarettes and over 38 tons of cut tobacco worth over €10 million. Investigators discovered that the criminal network was housing laborers permanently inside the industrial facilities in highly precarious and overcrowded conditions. The operation also led to the arrest of 2 fugitives fleeing Polish justice. In another serious development in the region, the national police have arrested a woman who allegedly tried to remove her 7-day-old baby from the Francesc de Borja hospital in Gandia. The regional government had assumed urgent guardianship of the newborn after the child tested positive for cocaine a few days after birth. Hospital security guards managed to detain the mother inside the facility yesterday morning, but authorities report that she managed to hand the baby over to her partner moments before. The father reportedly fled the hospital carrying the newborn hidden inside a sports bag. While the mother remains under arrest, police have launched an intensive investigation to locate the father and ensure the safety of the child. That is a brief wrap of what is happening across our area today. I will be back with your next bulletin on Monday evening to keep you updated on everything affecting our community. If you want to find out more about these stories and others, visit thisistorrevieja.com and remember to follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Riley Villa. Have a great weekend, be safe, see you next time.